On the first day of Songkran, I went out early to Soy Cowboy to see if I could shoot a couple of clips of me playing in the water for a video I wanted to make. Handed the girls the camera. They understood the assignment. By the end of the day, in the evening, nearly 250,000 people were crowding different sections of Bangkok, like the Silom area. There was a news article by Kashod, Thailand, that was saying that it was such a crowded and festive event, it got more international attention than ever, really highlighting, the festive nature of the festival of Songkran. And I got to experience that myself, going out and actually participating in the water fights the way that I did to shoot a video. It's the first time that I've actually done that in the 10 years that I've been here. I just kind of avoided it. It seemed, kind of crowded and crazy and chaotic and not really my taste in things. But what happened when I did kind of immerse myself into it a little bit, I discovered just how joyful and friendly and awesome the whole thing is. It really had a good time. I'm kind of looking forward to next year. I've gotten over my grumpy old, Songkran Grinchness, and next year I'm gonna buy myself one of them Super Soaker water guns and head on out and join in with everybody else. It was really kind of a fun day. But there's something else that happens during Songkran that doesn't get anywhere near as much attention as the water fights and the partying out in the streets that goes on for 3 days here. There's something else that I was invited to participate in that really touched me. My Thai stepkids and their mother invited me over to participate in a ritual where young Thai people honor their elders and their parents. It's part of the Songkran festival that you don't hear much about. This particular expression of this Songkran ritual comes from Loei province. That's where Buakaw, my girlfriend, is from. Her family is from the northern reaches of Thailand, known as Isan, and they come from one of the least populated, most rural parts of the country. And this was a very important ritual to them. They wanted to thank me for the support that I give them, and also honor their mother as well, which is appropriate. If Buakaw is anything, she's a good mother. So I was able to go and participate in this event, and it certainly endeared me even more to these children. They're not children anymore; they're young adults now. But they grew up under my roof, and they consider me their stepfather, and that's reciprocal. I consider them my stepchildren as well. I've grown to love them very much. They were particularly nice to me when I was sick last month. I was stuck in the house for almost 5 weeks, and they came over every Saturday and brought pizza and it kind of hung around and entertained me, and it was just really, this Songkran, foot washing ceremony. It was kind of icing on the cake. It really brought home the bond of affection that I have with this family that I've known for the past 10 years. So yeah, that's a part of Songkran that you don't see in the in the news articles and the videos, and all the attention that's paid to the water festival, which is fun as well. But yeah, this was an important part of the day for me. Afterwards, of course, what you always do if you're interested in making a Thai family happy is we went out to eat. This is called mukata, or translated to English means pork pan. It's where you cook your own food kind of thing. They love it, and I kind of like it too. It's a very very local kind of Isan cuisine that's featured here. And we ended up the day in this kind of modern version of a mukata restaurant in True Digital Park. It's just a more modern way to do the barbecue thing. There's not actually burning coals. So yeah, thanks for watching. See you soon.